This video is going to continue to teach about Zoom basics. So I'm going to go over here into my open Zoom meeting. So in Zoom Basics 1, we've talked about mute, unmute, start and stop video, and the participants list. Now we're going to go on to the chat. So the chat will open up here. You can also have it open up on the side if you want, where you can chat to everyone. And say, hello, everyone. Or you can chat just to your teacher. So right now I'm in a meeting with myself, but I can write just to the teacher. Say, I have a question. So this one was sent to everybody, and this one was sent just to the teacher. And those are the options you have on Zoom to who to talk to. Some teachers will have it that you can talk to other participants at the same time, but most teachers will have that disabled. So you'll only be able to talk to the teacher individually or to everyone. The rule of thumb for this is if you have a question that is about a class, ask it to everyone, because often there are people in your class that have either done what you are working on or might have the same question. So if they get the answer, it helps them too. So if you have a general question about a course, ask it to everyone, and then a classmate might answer, or the teacher might answer. But if you have a personal question that you want to ask the teacher, then you'll send it to them individually. And that's how the chat works. And next over here, we have share screen. Share screen is really important when you're trying to show a teacher something that you're having trouble with, or if you're having trouble logging on to something, if you're already on Zoom, but you're trying to get somewhere else. Sharing screens is really useful because then the teacher can see where you are, so they can help you much, much more easily. It's also useful if you're just trying to show a teacher a document you're working on and you're looking for some feedback. You can share it with them right on Zoom and you can go over it together. So I'll show you how to share your screen now. Sharing your screen is this big green button at the bottom. You'll click Share Screen, and then you want to pick which tab you want to show. So there's a whiteboard, there's the different thing, or there's different tabs. So I'll just click here and say I want to share this one, and then you have to click on it, and then the share button will pop up. If you don't click on anything, you won't be able to click share. So make sure you click the screen you want to share. So I've clicked this one here, and then I will show share screen. And then you'll see right up here, my screen is being shared with everyone in the meeting. To stop sharing, it's this little red button on top. So it was a big green button on the bottom to share your screen, and now we're going to use this tiny red button to stop share. That is how you share your screen. You can't share if someone else is sharing, but most teachers will have it enabled so that you can share your screen with them. So yeah, that's a useful tool to remember.